Okay students, now let's discuss the second property on the basis of angles is exterior angle property. Now exterior means which is outside. Outside of what? We are talking about triangle, so we have to talk about triangle only. Now this is exterior angle property. Now you can see that I have drawn three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. Now what I do, I just extended this line or I mark these numbers as 1, 2, 3. So outside also one angle form 4. Yes, I have extended the line and this will be fourth angle will be formed. As it is outside the angle triangle, we called as exterior angle. Clear? Similarly, if we extend it in this way, so what will happen in this case? I am giving this name as phi, angle phi. Clear? Or we can give the vertices name also. I will write D, so it will be ACD. Or here E, so EBC. Clear? Now I am extending one more line, which is this one. I have increased all the three sides and three extra angles will be formed. And these three angles, that is angle 4, 5 and 6, these are outside, so we called as these angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 are exterior angle sorry. Now I am explaining what does exterior angle property means. First of all, exterior angle property says that exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Now students, this is angle 4 which is exterior, so we will not consider this 3 which is connected to 4. Apart from that, whomsoever is interior, we just add up together, it will be equal to 4. That means angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. I repeat the definition. Exterior angle property says that exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So you can see that angle 1 and 2 are opposite of angle 4. Yes? So it is the sum. Sum means addition. Clear? Now if we talk about angle 5, we will not see angle 2. It will be equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Clear? Similarly, angle 6 is equal to, we will not consider angle 1, we will consider 2 and 3. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 6. Clear? So if you have this value and this value, you can find out exterior angle. Yes? If I am saying that angle 1 is 40 degree and angle 2 is 60 degree, so what is angle 4? 40 plus 60? 100. Yes? Or if we remove this, we have exterior angle, we have one interior. Can we find out the second angle, angle 2, by putting the values in this formula and do the transposition? So 100 minus 40 is 60. So this will be 60. Clear about this? Students, I will send you one pic also, in which whatever you have to write the definitions, you copied in your fair interleaved notebook. Clear?